Hello and welcome back to another video. Today I'm going to show you how to make presidents' voices using Elevenlabs. To start with, you want to come over to VoiceLab and add a new voice and select instant voice cloning. Now what this means is we only need a sample that's just over a minute long and it should be able to recreate basically anyone's voices. So for this example I'm using Trump. So you want to find a video like this where Trump's speaking and you want to make sure it's just Trump speaking, no one else, so it doesn't mess with the audio. And then you want to go to a YouTube to MP3 site like this and download it. After it's downloaded, you want to extract just the audio using something like Premiere Pro, and you can add it into Adobe Enhance. Now what this will do is basically remove all the background noise, remove any echo, because this clip is quite echoey, and it will make it sound like a clear recording of Trump's voice. From there, what you want to do is you want to export that, and you want to add it here, but make sure it's only 10 megabytes maximum or it will not upload. From there, add a description. Drop this down. Confirm this and add voice. And then you'll have something like this.
It was absolutely tremendous.
Which basically clones Trump's voice. I hope this video has helped you. If it has, please comment down below and like and subscribe. Thank you for watching.